Some common vocabulary for adding whole numbers. Whole numbers are the counting numbers together with 0. They do not include decimals, fractions, or negative numbers. Addends are the numbers being added. Sum is the answer to an addition problem. Column addition is lining up the digits in columns based on place value to add them vertically. So that would be like 12 plus 12. Do the 2 plus 2 is 4, and 1 plus 1 is 2. Regrouping is rewriting a value in terms of the next place value. So that would be like if instead of 12 plus 12, you had 15 plus 16. 5 plus 6 is 11. Carry the 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 gives you 3 for 31. Carrying that 1 is what we're calling regrouping. The perimeter is the total distance around a shape.